All right, YouTube. I'll turn this around here where I can get closer to my welder. Thought I'd go ahead and put this piece here in. Got it shaped as best I can, I think. Get it in the right place and put a little tack on it, then move it around. You know, you build a piece like this, you got a lot of bends and stuff in it. You think you got it just perfect, and for the most part you got it almost perfect, but then it don't fill in all the gap up here, this piece at the top. I'll just try to, you know, wherever I get it in, I'll just try to fill that in with weld, that right there, or if I have to, I'll cut a little shiver and weld it in there and grind it down. But anyway, let me get the welder turned on and we'll see if we can weld that on there. Just set y'all up somewhere. Let's see. Turn this thing on. Tack this piece in place first. Try to go where it needs to be. I'll put a little tack on it. Pretty good right there. Put down the sleeve. Oh. Okay. It didn't burn long. Man, aggravating trying to hold this little bitty piece in the right spot and keep it from moving. I'll try to get a tack on it. Let's see. I think it moved. Yep. I think it'll be alright. Yep, it moved. Damn it. Turn this off. Y'all probably can't see what I'm doing here. Okay, y'all, it's not perfect, but time I grind it, clean it all up, I think it'll look pretty good. And I think I got this hole right here is a little bit off to this side, so I've got to make it just a little bit bigger. I'll pull it this way and get it more centered. But I think, judging from the other side and then looking at this side, not bad. It'll do. And that piece of stainless goes over the top of it. And I've got all those pieces that go on there. Plus I've got this center piece that's not broke. I just gotta wait and get my hood latch and put that in the right place where I put it back. All right, well, I'm gonna grind this down, I think, and I'll come back and we'll see what else we can get into. All right, done a little grinding, got it welded in. It was taking so long to get that thing positioned and get it tacked in place and all that stuff, but I had to move it around and finally got it welded and ground it down and got that little spot filled in. Thing turned out pretty good. They got a piece of stainless like on this side that goes down through here, and then you got the little short pieces of stainless that'll go here, and then these all have stainless on them. So I think that'll work out just fine. I think what I'm gonna do now is take these little pieces here. Let me find these pieces here and put them in here where they go and weld them back to the rods on the inside there. I'm not gonna put the plates in there now. I'll do that later, but I'll put a little piece of sheet metal in there to simulate the metal in between the grill and these pieces. Yep, that's what I'll do. All right, well, I'm gonna put y'all down. I'll come back and show you what I got. Okay, y'all, I got the rods welded back together. I'm gonna clean this table off. Now I'm gonna take that grill out so I can lay it over here, clean those rods up, and put these panels in. So I'm gonna get busy and clean this table off, and so I can put the grill up here. I'll bring y'all back when I get it done. Okay, I got it all off. Gotta clean these up before I welded them together. Still got some more grinding to do on this thing, cleaning up these areas. In this area over here, I had to put a new piece in here. It was boogered up pretty good. That's where that stainless slides in behind that, like this side. This side here was pretty rusty, so I'm gonna probably make this a new piece right here and weld it to this and clean all that up. But anyway, All right, y'all, what I did there was made that little pocket for that stainless to fit down in. It does it on this side. And this side was pretty decent. I just had to weld that up there, but I think this side will do. This side here was pretty well eat up. Take this glove off. Pretty well eat up. There wasn't much left of it. Pretty thin, rusty. So I just went ahead and made another one. Took forever to make it, but I got it done now. I'll grind it, clean it up, and finish any little welding that I need to do. And I didn't get these put on, but all it is two holes with two little rivets, screw rivets like this, that holds it in place. And you know, of course, the bolts go through it and through the grill, so it holds it all together. But I'll get those put on there. And I got the rods, let me see if I can show you. I got the rods welded and cleaned up. So grill should be about finished, except for this center part, getting all that cleaned up. But anyway, I'm gonna leave this video here, and y'all know the drill. Leave me a like, comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe. That'll help me out if y'all will do that. All right, man, till next time, I'll see y'all later.